naman dumarating si Lord eh. Kasi message na to dati nung 2010, 2000. Di naman gusto ko lang i-highlight yung word dito na our salvation is nearer now than we first believed. Madami kasi nagda-downplay dito. Pero ang sabi ng Bible kasi, in the last days daw, people will become lovers of themselves. They will not hear the sound of a good doctrine. Sa Pilipinas ngayon, they are normalizing yung mga drunkenness, yung mga thirst trap ng mga influencers, debauchery, even corruption. Pero gusto ko lang sana na i-put into perspective, yung nangyayari ngayon, hindi ba ganito din yung panahon ni Noah? When Noah is saying na magkakaroon ng ulan, pagbaha, no one is listening to him. Ganun din naman ngayon eh. Sinasabi natin, malapit na dumating si Lord, kailangan natin ayusin ang buhay natin. Walang nakikinig kasi narinig na namin dati yan. Sabi ng 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 9, the Lord isn't really slow about His promise. Ano yung promise na yun? Yung pagbalik niya? As some people think, but no. He is being patient for your sake. He does not want anyone to be destroyed and He wants everyone to repent.